Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a full face of clean beauty, clean makeup, and I'm specifically going to be featuring the new TOWER28 Tinted Sunscreen Foundation and also other goodies from other clean beauty brands that I want to show you guys. But we're just going to create this look right here. We're going to keep it fresh and simple. And then at the end, I'll let you guys know how I feel about, the products that I tried today. So with that being said, we're just going to jump right into it. Alright you guys, so let's jump right into it. I'm going to grab the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist just to refresh and hydrate my skin. And I'm going to go ahead and moisturize. I got a sample of the Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. You guys know I always love using my Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm going to try this one out. Oh, it's so glowy. I was not expecting this amount of glow and I'm loving it. So, okay, I'm gonna grab the Lila B A Glow Priming Oil. I've talked about this. It's absolutely stunning. It's a super intense, glowy priming oil and I just love it on its own on days where I don't want to wear makeup, and also when I do wear makeup, because it makes my skin just, it makes my makeup glide on super effortlessly and I don't have to worry about it looking dry or flaky or cakey. You guys, please don't mind my hair. It's a hot mess, but I'm gonna fix it later. So here we have the new TOWER28 Sunny Days SPF 30 Tinted Sunscreen. I don't know, foundation, I'm guessing. I ended up getting the shade Sunset, which is, I believe, 50. Let me double check. Yes, 50. And I think I got the right shade because 45 looked a little too neutral and 40 looked a little too light. So we're going to see. I absolutely love the packaging. Let me show it to you guys. I'm over here talking and the packaging is super cute, simple, and I love this little kind of like applicator here. It's a squeezy tube. I absolutely love that. So I'm just gonna pour probably that much. That's like about a pump, I would say. And I'm just gonna grab my sponge. First, let me swatch it so you guys can see what the shade looks like. It's golden, and I think the shade's gonna work perfectly fine, so I'm excited. Alright, so that's just half my face with the tinted moisturizer or foundation. I don't know what it's called, to be honest, but it looks like skin. I can still see my skin through the product. It's definitely glowy, super lightweight. I don't even feel it on my face. It's not giving me a white cast, even though it has sunscreen in it. So far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and do like another, what would you call that, pump, I guess, for the rest of my face. All right, so far this is the type of coverage I'm getting, which is very sheer, very lightweight. It is absolutely stunning, just first impressions. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit more so you guys can see how it builds up and stuff, but I don't think this is gonna give me like a whole lot of coverage. It's a very lightweight type of product. Oh wait, it actually does build up nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, obviously on camera, but I'm not going to be talking just because I don't want to make this video too long. And at the end, I'll let you guys know how I feel about, the TOWER28 foundation. So I said I was not going to talk throughout the makeup application, but I lied. I want to share with you guys this brand right here called Minori. Their aesthetic is absolutely stunning. I love it. They're a clean brand, and they just came out with some new products. This is a cream highlighter, and this one's in the shade Golden. I've been playing with it, and you guys, first of all, the shade, okay, can we get into it? This is the perfect golden shade, and this has no shimmer, no glitter. You guys know I don't rock with shimmer like that or glitter, but it's right there. You guys see that? It is stunning. So I'm going to be applying this, and I'm also going to be applying their blush. I got the shade Scarlet, which is kind of like a corally peachy shade. It's super soft and just like, it gives a flush of color without being too intense. And it also has that nice glossy type of finish to it. And lastly, they also sent me this lip gloss in the shade, what's it called? Cozy. So I'm probably going to be using it today as well. Super, super pretty, very natural, very like minimalistic type of vibe here. So I'm going to go ahead and play with the goodies. And again, at the end, I'll let you guys know what I think about, you know, the TOWER28 foundation and all of these products that I'm going to be using throughout the video. guys, so this is the completed look, and if you guys know me, then you'll know that these are my favorite type of go-to looks. Just very basic, fresh skin, glowy skin, glossy lips, brows on point, and one shadow literally. Like by the way, the shadow I use, if I can find it, from Makeup Forever. Makeup Forever has one of my favorite formulas when it comes to eyeshadows. Highly recommend. I don't know the name or the shade by, you know, on the top of my head, but I will leave it in the description box for those of you who are interested. But you guys, the glow is here. I'm loving my skin, so I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see how everything looks as one. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get into my overall thoughts on the new TOWER28 Tinted Sunscreen Foundation. Again, I use the shade 50 Sunset, and I think it's perfect. It has the perfect amount of golden undertone. I don't feel like I'm going to have to mix it with anything. It blended super seamlessly with my skin, my complexion, and I am obsessed. I'm going to be honest, I'm not going to be doing a wear test for this product because I don't consider this to be a long wearing type of foundation or anything like that. It's a clean type of product. It's very sheer, very lightweight. It has a lot of glow to it. So I doubt that this is going to be like a 12-hour wear type of product. But I will definitely keep you guys posted in, you know, the near future on how it wears and stuff. But I'm positive it's not like super long wearing. And I'm okay with that because I don't wear makeup for that long anyway. So yeah, let's talk about the coverage. It's very sheer, very lightweight. You don't even feel it when you apply it. It almost feels like you're applying like a serum or like a moisturizer on your skin. I personally think that for application purposes, depending on the coverage that you're looking for, if you use your fingers, you're probably going to get more coverage just because the brush or the sponge is not going to absorb a lot of the product. As you guys saw, I did use a sponge and I was able to build it up and it gave me beautiful, beautiful coverage. So for this product to be such a lightweight formula, it builds up really nicely. So I would consider this kind of like a sheer to light medium type of coverage, but no more than that. The finish is definitely dewy, glowy, luminous. Therefore, for normal, dry, and even combo skin, I think you'll be able to get away with it. Oily skin, I'm telling you guys right now, unless you don't mind blotting, unless you don't mind getting oily throughout the day, I think you should get it. You should try it out. But it's definitely not a mattifying type of product. It's not going to give you a natural finish. It's not going to give you a velvet finish. It's a very dewy, luminous type of product. So personally for me, I'm so here for it. And again, the shade, the packaging, I love the packaging. It's super simple. This for traveling purposes is amazing because I know it's not going to break. It's not going to spill everywhere. And I love the fact that you have to actually twist it out instead of just, you know, pulling it. So I feel like that gives it more security. I just think they did an amazing job with this right here. I quickly want to compare this to the KOSAS Tinted Face Oil because it's giving me kind of like the same kind of like, I would say coverage and kind of like finish. So I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison real quick on the back of my hand. Starting off with the TOWER28 product, again, shade 50. And then I'm going to do the KOSAS Tinted Face Oil in the shade number 7.5. And as you guys can see, they're pretty similar. They're both very runny. I will say that the KOSAS definitely has a more liquidy, runny type of finish. But I do like the undertone of the TOWER28 a lot better. It's more golden. This is definitely giving me a little bit more warmth. So it's a little bit warmer. Sorry, so a little bit deeper for my complexion. But I make it work because I love the formula. But as you guys can see, they're very similar. I'm just going to blend them out so you guys can see how they both look. I would say that the TOWER28 has a little bit more thickness to it. But look, it's the same type of vibe. Very glowy, very dewy. So I would say that the KOSAS one is more lightweight in terms of how it feels. But in terms of the looks, it's the same. And I think personally, the KOSAS gives a little bit more coverage, just a little bit more. But as you guys can see, it is glowy, you guys. It is stunning. I am obsessed. It's my first time trying it out and I'm already in love with it. this is now in my top 5 for sure in terms of foundations that I currently am in love with right now, because the coverage, the application, the finish, everything's on point, the shade. I am just so here for this. So if you personally like this product, the one from KOSAS, I think you would absolutely love this as well. They did an amazing job. I can't say anything else because I'm going to keep repeating myself, excuse me, but I highly recommend that you guys try this out. And I also want to say that they did an amazing job at kind of like showcasing the shades. If you go on their Instagram, you'll be able to see like all the models kind of showing what shade they use. And it's a better look on like the shade range compared to other makeup brands that just kind of like do very professional photos and they're Photoshop and they're not really accurate. I think they did an amazing job with that. So highly recommend if you're like into the minimalistic type of look, you like natural makeup, you like glowy makeup, you like fresh skin. It's a vibe. I'm super here for it. And then real quickly, as I mentioned in the video, Minori Beauty, they're a clean brand as well. And I am so here for their products, specifically the cream highlighter in the shade Golden. You guys, it's giving me that glow that I love. It's not chunky. It feels like a gel form almost. But once you blend it out, so that's how it looks. Once you blend it out onto the skin, it like fades into nothing. It's like it melts into the skin. It's absolutely gorgeous. I highly recommend if you're into cream products. Both the blush and the highlighter, they're beautiful, just stunning. And I can't wait for them to come out with more products. Again, the lip gloss gave me the shine that I like. It's not sticky. Love the doe foot applicator on this as well. I'm just really here for the clean beauty products that have been coming out lately, because they're definitely doing better than like the regular makeup brands, if you will. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you all enjoyed this look, this video. Please check the description box below for all the product information. Follow your girl on Instagram and TikTok at SimplyDianaJ. If you guys have any suggestions, questions, or anything like that, let me know. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, beauties.